What's up, AI fans? Today, we're tackling a topic that's been burning up the internet, the ultimate AI chatbot showdown. We all know ChatGPT, right? It's the name that launched 1,000 AI articles and a billion memes. But the AI landscape has exploded since ChatGPT's debut. New players have entered the game, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with large language models, or LLMs. Today, we're going head-to-head with ChatGPT's biggest rival, Anthropic's Claude. We'll break down the key differences, examine their strengths and weaknesses, and show you how these powerful tools are reshaping the world of AI. Get ready for a deep dive into the heart of the AI revolution. It's going to be epic. We'll analyze ChatGPT's recent upgrades, including the impressive GPT-4o model. We'll see its integration across platforms, its new desktop apps, voice capabilities, even how to use it without an account. Imagine effortlessly composing emails, generating creative content, even tackling complex coding projects. It truly is a game changer. Pictures of ChatGPT interface on a phone, a laptop, and a desktop computer. A shot of a person's shocked face when they first see AI generating text on a laptop. A shot of a person using voice-to-text on a phone to use ChatGPT. Images of people using AI for different tasks, such as writing, coding, and composing music. But hold on a second, because there's a new sheriff in town. Anthropic, a company founded by ex-OpenAI researchers, has created Claude, an AI that's not just a competitor, it's a force to be reckoned with. While ChatGPT blazed a trail, Claude brings a different approach, a blend of incredible power and a genuine focus on AI safety. We'll examine Claude's unique selling points, its enhanced reasoning skills, its ability to handle incredibly long inputs, and its uncanny ability to mimic the quirks and nuances of human conversation. Forget robotic responses. Claude often feels like you're chatting with a witty, insightful friend. Images of Claude AI interface on various devices. A close-up of a person smiling after receiving a response from Claude. Shot of Claude summarizing a long document. Claude generating and running code. Claude solving complicated math problems. People collaborating on the Claude platform using its project feature. Now for the moment of truth, the head-to-head comparison. We'll be looking at the latest models, Claude 3.5 and ChatGPT's GPT-4o. Both are top-tier players, pushing the boundaries of AI. We'll analyze their performance on various benchmarks, reasoning, coding, creative writing, to see who comes out on top. We'll also consider their efficiency and explore cost implications and the importance of prompt engineering. This isn't just about raw power. It's about understanding which model is the most effective and efficient for different tasks. Graphs comparing performance benchmarks between Claude 3.5 and GPT-4o. Screenshots of chatbot conversations showing the different styles and qualities of responses from each model. For example, different writing styles or differences in accuracy for the same prompt. A side-by-side comparison of different prompts given to each model. Specific examples of prompts that are easier to get right with either AI. A comparison of price for using each model. Beyond the benchmark stats, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of their unique features. ChatGPT's GPT-4o stands out with its multimodal prowess, processing not just text but images, and soon, video and audio. This unlocks amazing applications for things like image analysis, video summarization, and creating rich and engaging AI-powered experiences. We'll examine how this multimodal approach compares to Claude's strengths, such as its vision capabilities, already available, and its vast context window. We'll be amazed by what's possible. We'll explore features like prompt caching, which dramatically reduces costs and speeds things up, and dive into Claude's innovative computer use functionality. The AI can actually interact with computers, automating tasks and streamlining your workflow. Imagine the possibilities for developers. Screenshots demonstrating features such as GPT-4o multimodal capabilities, prompt caching, Claude's computer use, and Claude's project feature. Examples of generated content, such as code, images, text, and video from each model. Now, let's talk about something crucial, ethics and privacy. No discussion of AI is complete without addressing these critical aspects. OpenAI and Anthropic are taking different approaches when it comes to the development and use of AI chatbots. We'll examine the different security and privacy safeguards, data usage policies, and commitment to mitigating bias. We'll explore how these factors influence users' trust and highlight how Anthropic's focus on ethical and responsible AI development positions Claude as a safer option for certain applications. A comparison of OpenAI and Anthropic's data privacy policies. A discussion on the ethical implications of using AI models and their biases. An analysis of OpenAI and Anthropic's approaches to mitigating misuse risks and ensuring responsible development practices. A comparison of methods such as Anthropic's constitutional AI and OpenAI's human feedback training. Let's get down to brass tacks. The financial side of things. Building and deploying powerful LLMs requires serious investment, and that translates directly into how both companies make money. We'll dissect their pricing strategies, comparing free tiers, subscription plans, and API access. We'll discuss the cost implications for both individual users and businesses. Understanding how pricing influences market adoption and technological innovation is essential for anyone involved in or thinking about working with AI. Charts comparing the different pricing tiers for Claude and ChatGPT, including free tiers, pro subscriptions, and API usage details. A detailed discussion of token-based pricing models and their cost implications for various applications. But the AI world doesn't just revolve around Claude and ChatGPT. Google's Gemini and Microsoft's Copilot are also significant players. We'll briefly compare them to Claude and ChatGPT, highlighting their strengths and how their integration within respective ecosystems, Google and Microsoft, makes them compelling alternatives. Gemini's real-time data access and Copilot's seamless integration with Microsoft 365 are game changers that we'll unpack. We'll see how businesses are using these tools to improve operations, productivity, and the creation of unique experiences. Screenshots comparing the user interfaces for Gemini and Copilot, as well as examples of responses from each tool to the same prompts given to Claude and ChatGPT. Highlighting of features of Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini that would improve workflows for businesses and enhance user experiences compared to Claude and ChatGPT. We'll expand the scope a little further by discussing other leading AI models like Meta's Llama 3. We'll examine its open-source nature and how that impacts its accessibility and customization, plus the potential benefits for businesses. Then, we'll touch on some even newer and potentially disruptive contenders, such as DeepSeek R1. This is a powerful open-source LLM from a Chinese developer and shows incredible potential that is turning heads at the major model providers like OpenAI and Anthropic, and is even dragging down the stock prices of companies like NVIDIA. We'll look at what makes it unique in terms of performance, cost, and the potential impact across global AI. We'll explore how this model might disrupt the existing AI landscape. Is it the next big thing? Images of various AI models' interfaces, highlighting their unique features and user experiences. Discussion on the impact of open-source models, like Meta's Llama 3 and DeepSeek R1, on the overall AI landscape and the implications for both users as well as competitors. Discussion on the different implications of each model's access, such as open-source versus proprietary AI. Finally, we'll look ahead to the future. What's next for AI? Where are OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft headed? What new developments do we expect? We'll discuss the potential for more powerful AI assistants, perhaps those able to use computers entirely on their own, and explore the exciting possibilities of AI agents that can automate complex tasks for various purposes. We'll also muse on the possible impacts across businesses, consumers, society as a whole, and try to predict how these changes could improve productivity and transform our daily lives. But we'll also address concerns around potential downsides like job displacements, the risks associated with creating generalizable artificial intelligence, and the ethics and governance of AI. We'll address responsible AI development and deployment, highlighting the importance of ethical considerations such as transparency, bias mitigation, and data security practices. We may end by addressing the role of policymakers and regulators in steering the technology's trajectory and how they'll respond to challenges. Animation depicting potential future applications for AI and potential concerns.